Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Gmail tracker Google Chrome extension. So this extension will exactly tell you whether your emails are actually being read by your to whom you are sending the email addresses. It will exactly tell you whether the person has read your email or not. So Mailtrack is the name of the extension, email tracker for Gmail. If you directly write this, it's a very popular extension. Almost 3 million installs are actually there. So I personally use this extension. It is totally free and unlimited. In the free plan, it provides you all the features. I've already added the extension. The icon will appear. Let me just activate this. So it's called as Mail Tracker. So the icon will appear something like this. So once you activate this, you need to let me test it out. Let me go to my account. I've already authenticated using my Google account. So if you're doing it for the very first time, you just need to verify. Simply connect your Google account for which you will be tracking it. So I simply connected with my free Google account. So right here, let me send out a email address. Email. Let me compose the email. Simply, I want to send this email to another email address of mine. So just I am showing you whether it works or not. I will say sample email to testing. This is a sample email for testing on YouTube. So I written just this simple email to this email address. And as I click the send button, you will basically see it will show you a notification that your email has been sent. These two dots Sharma Gautam 1987 dob@gmail.com hasn't opened your email yet. So you basically get these notifications when you hover onto this. It exactly tells you whether the person has read your email or not. Now let me go to the account and open the inbox. So refresh. So now basically you will see the email has come. And if I try to open this, so now basically you will get this notification that it has opened your email. So you will get this notification, and also if you refresh this page, you will also see this. So you see this Sharma Gautam opened your email less than a minute ago. So it exactly tells you when it has opened it, how much time ago as well. So these two green dots simply means that the person has opened your email. So this is a Gmail tracker, guys, very useful extension. If you are sending out a lot of email addresses to different people, then it exactly tells you whether the person has opened your email or not. You can try this with different accounts as well, different emails. Let me now try this with a different email address. This is also my another email. I send this again. If I try to open the inbox, you will see. So now the email has arrived here. If you see, if I try to open this, and you see this notification has just read your email. So One only disadvantage is that the person reading your email will also see this watermark that sender notified with Mailtrack, and also right here it will see this sender notified with Mailtrack. So they will also see this, but it's a unlimited extension, free and unlimited. You can track unlimited emails using this extension Mailtrack. So specifically email tracker for Gmail. So you will be notified when someone reads your email addresses. So definitely check this out. It's a very useful extension.